As manufacturers have started putting more investment into GLP-1s, they started discontinuing some forms of their insulin. It's been harder for people to obtain the drug. GLP-1s are glucagon-like peptide 1s. They were created as a way to mitigate type 2 diabetes initially in the 2000s, but through clinical trials, researchers realized that they also helped with weight loss. The way they work is that they slow the entrance of food into your stomach lining, making you feel fuller faster. GLP-1s have been super appealing to manufacturers because they're not subject to the same price cap that insulin is, partly because they're relatively newer to the industry and partly because they're not deemed as medically necessary because they rely on your body's ability to produce insulin. So currently, GLP-1s can cost anywhere from $700 to $800 a month. That means that manufacturers stand to make significant revenue from the product. Consumers with type 1 diabetes can't use GLP-1s because their body doesn't produce insulin on its own. However, as manufacturers have started putting more investment into GLP-1s, it's been harder for people to obtain the drug. Mutual aid groups for diabetes patients have seen surges in requests for insulin. And some have also had to switch to older forms of injecting themselves using vials and syringes, and with that comes the added pressure of making sure that they're taking the correct dosages and injecting themselves correctly. As we see manufacturers shift more to GLP-1s, this trend is likely to continue.